Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Exitus Elite, the changes that were just made to it, which makes it an even better opportunity all around because you have so many ways to make money in this affiliate business. So originally, when you came in to Exitus Elite, you'd sign up and then when you made your first payment, you would pass that first commission sale up to me. That's what was called the qualifying sale. But now they got rid of that. Instead of me getting paid twice, so when you sign up, you pay me my commission, and then when you make your first sale, you pay me again for that pass up sale, and then you're qualified. Well, Paul Stevenson realized that this kind of a compensation plan might have worked years and years ago, but it just doesn't work in today's uh, affiliate business. So he got rid of it. That's one of the things I like about Paul Stevenson. He's been running this company for 11 years now, and he's not afraid to get rid of things that are not working for the company and for us affiliates. So when you make your first sale now, you get that first commission. So this is how it works. Let's say you come in here at the G1000. What you're going to do is you're just going to pay the one-time membership fee, uh, and that money goes to Exitus Elite. That's how they make their money. And then it says, important to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So when you pay me my $1,000 commission, or $500 or $250, depending on where you come in at, you're paying for the product. Now, all the products in Exitus Elite are all training products. They're training products for marketing, for business, for motivation. There's some really good motivational courses in here that will really inspire you to think better and learn to. And they're just very motivational and uplifting, and they give you different ways of overcoming your fear of failure. But the courses are really good. If you join me, I'm going to give you a page that has free training on it. But all I got to say is I love this opportunity. And to get back to the compensation plan, if you come in here at the G1000, all of these lower products unlock for you. So now you can make $100, $250, $500, and now $1,000. At all these levels, you are now qualified. No more pass up sales, no more getting qualified. You are good to go. So, and then we still have the override commission. So I'll give you an example of that. So let's say you come in here at the G500. So what will happen is you'll still get your $100 commission, but the remaining $900 that's left over gets passed up to me. Now the same thing, let's say you come in here at the G500. You're still going to get your $500 commission, and then the remaining $500 will get passed up to me. So you still have opportunities to still make some residual income in this business. Now, let's say I want to upgrade. In Exitus Elite, all you have to do to upgrade is you just pay the difference what you paid in the past when you made your last product purchase. So when I came in at the G1000, I paid the $299 admin fee, which goes to Exitus Elite, and then I paid my sponsor so I can get the products. I paid my sponsor $1,000. Now, if I want to upgrade, I take $299 off of this and $1,000 off of the purchase to my sponsor. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only going to come in at $1,100. So when you upgrade to the next product level, you're just paying the difference of what you paid in the last product. So I always tell people to come in as at the highest levels, whether it's the G2000 or the G1000, only because you're setting yourself up for more opportunity to make more money. And you get all the training that's in all these products. Like I said, the higher you come in, all the lower products unlock at no extra cost. So let's say you came in here at the G250, you get the 100. Came in here at the G500, you'd get the 100 and the 250, and so on and so forth. So that's how the compensation plan works now, guys. I am very excited because that makes it a lot easier for people who are just getting started. Now they don't have to wait to get qualified for their first sale, they get paid right away. So, some of the things you're going to get when you join my team, you'll get this free training page, absolutely free. There's all kinds of training on this page. You, I have a friend here who I've been in affiliate marketing for a long time. He's been in this business for like 9 years now, and he knows what he's talking about. And you'll also get access to all these pages, what makes Exitus Elite so great, how to pay in Exitus Elite. So if you join my team, I will send you this page. It'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to sign up. I believe the back office pretty much tells you how to do it, but this is just a step-by-step guide. This is how you set up your merchants in Exitus Elite. So this is how I have it set up. I have PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, and to get paid by, and you get 100% instant commissions to the payment processors of your choice. So you're gonna get all this absolutely free. Um, let's see the Mega Swipe file page here.
Hey, this is Sean Powell. I was going to talk about affiliate marketing for
Hold on one
beginners in
second.
2022, and I'm going to give you a step by step from your very first day, as if you didn't know anything about online business, all the way to showing you exactly what I'm.
Hold on. Okay. So the Mega Swipe file page, we have some free advertising ads that you can use to promote your Exitus Elite business. We have the headlines to the ads. You can use these. You can edit them, do whatever you want. You also got all these ad bodies. Anything you want to do, detailed suggestion ads. So if you want to give some good talking points on the business, um, more talking points here. You got Craigslist scripts, Facebook scripts, and you have all kinds of ideas like art that you can use if you want to learn how to make good thumbnails. You can use these for illustrational purposes until you get your own commissions. These are for illustrational purposes only to show people what's possible in this business. And if I go down here, here are some commissions I've made over the years. $250, $500 commission I made last year. So you get a lot of you're going to get a lot of stuff if you become a member of my team. If you come into the G1000 or 2000, you'll be added to our Facebook uh, team chat, and you'll be getting all kinds of things here. So, um, yeah, I just really love this business. I really do. So, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. My email, my phone number is all in the description below this video, and in even the link to join Exitus Elite. So, I look forward to having you a part of my team, and and I'll be waiting for your call. Have a wonderful day. Also, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when I upload new content. Hit the notification bell as well. So I'll see all of you guys pretty soon, and I can't wait to see you succeed in the future as well. Bye.